Hi, welcome to my channel, My Thrifty Crafts. Please take a second and subscribe, click on the bell for notifications, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. My first project in this video is this little box. I'm going to give it a little makeover, fill it up with chocolate, and give it to Lola for Valentine's Day. First thing I do is take it apart. Now I'm going to paint it white. I used paint from the dollar store. On the outside, I'm going to add a black strip with paint around the whole box. I also paint the hinges and hardware black. I got this wood heart from the dollar store. I'm going to paint it black. For the inside of the box, I'm going to glue down scrapbook paper. Now I'm going to glue the heart where the hole is. And the last thing to do is to attach the hinges and hardware. And I'd add a little bit more paint to cover the nails. All done. I also bought this chocolate from the dollar store. Let me try one. It's really tasty. I think I'll take one more. And that's it. Do you like it? Do you think Lola will like it? Let me know down below. For my next craft, I printed and cut out a heart pattern. I have this jean material from an old pair of pants. I traced the heart onto the jeans using a dressmaker pencil that I got from a garage sale last year. I lost some footage here. The first time I made the heart, I tried gluing it together with hot glue, and it didn't look so good. So then I tried it again, so I cut out more fabric, and I sewed it this time, and it looks a little bit better. The first one is the hot glue version. It looks terrible, right? This one isn't so bad, so I'll use it. Now I'm making a tassel with white yarn. I'm crocheting a small piece to tie around the tassel. It's hard to tell, but the yarn is blue. I'm going to use some white and wood beads. Not sure how to finish it, so I'll just tie a knot. I think I would try something different. Maybe another tassel? Tell me down below how I should have finished it. it looks kind of cute. Okay, now for the next craft. This one took a while. I printed another heart pattern, a bit bigger. I traced it onto a mesh latch hooking material. I bought a huge bag of yarn and lots of mesh at a garage sale last year, all for only $5, and I have enough of it for lots of craft projects. I used to do latch hooking and I remember the material being softer. It took me a while to get the heart done. To be honest, I had to look online how to latch hook because I forgot how to do it. It took me a little while to get the hang of it again. I brushed the yarn with a pet brush to make it look softer. I made 2 hearts. My idea is to trim off the excess and then sew both pieces together with yarn, and then stuff it to make a small pillow. I don't like that I can see the marker traces. I need to find a better way to trace it. So then I cut off some material. I'm going to use white yarn to sew it together. It was hard to get the yarn close to the edge of the heart, so I decided to cut more of the mesh. This is where it all went wrong. I cut too much off. It was hard to attach it together. I kept thinking maybe I should just stop working on this, but I already spent so much time on it, so I decided to keep going. Now I'm going to stuff it and sew the rest. It doesn't look perfect. Maybe if I brush it some more? Oh, you can see the marker. Okay, I'm still going to keep going. I attached some beads to it and I'm making another tassel. I tied it to the yarn, but again I lost more footage. The yarn fell off the heart, so I had to do it over again just like I made the first heart. First I fed the beads through the yarn, made the tassel, then I sewed it to the heart. It definitely made it stronger. And that's it. It actually doesn't look so bad if you're standing a couple feet away from it. Tell me what you think down below. Thanks so much for watching, and again, please subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel, and give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And I love reading comments, so please leave a comment down below. See you next time. Bye for now.